Welcome to the Basics of Stock Market for Beginners. Today, we'll explore the fundamental concepts of the stock market and help you understand how it works. The stock market is a platform where buyers and sellers trade shares of publicly listed companies. It serves as a marketplace for investors to buy and sell stocks. Stocks, also known as equities or shares, represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a partial owner of that company and have a claim on its assets and earnings. Investors participate in the stock market to potentially earn profits. They aim to buy stocks at a lower price and sell them at a higher price, capitalizing on the growth and success of the companies they invest in. The value of stocks is influenced by various factors, including the company's financial performance, industry trends, economic conditions, and investor sentiment. These factors drive the demand and supply of stocks, leading to price fluctuations. To invest in the stock market, you'll need a brokerage account. A brokerage account is an online platform or a financial institution that allows you to buy and sell stocks. You can choose from a wide range of brokerage firms based on your preferences and needs. When you're ready to invest, you can place buy or sell orders for the stocks you're interested in. Market orders are executed immediately at the prevailing market price, while limit orders allow you to specify the price at which you're willing to buy or sell. Monitoring your investments is crucial. You can track your stock's performance in your investment portfolio, which shows the value of your holdings, the overall return, and any dividends you may have received. Staying informed about the stock market is important. Financial news, earnings reports, and economic indicators can provide insights into the companies you've invested in and help you make informed decisions. Remember, investing in the stock market carries risks. Prices can be volatile, and there are no guarantees of returns. It's advisable to diversify your investments, understand your risk tolerance, and consider a long-term investment approach. And that wraps up our Basics of Stock Market for Beginners. The stock market can be a rewarding avenue for wealth creation, but it's important to approach it with knowledge and a long-term perspective. Happy investing!